In today's world, new technologies are being adopted in the healthcare sector every day as a result of emerging trends such as increased service demand, a shift in focus to 360-degree well-being, and growing costs of excellent patient care. Subsequently, medical institutions across the globe are redefining patient engagement laws by leveraging the power of conversational AI and chatbot solutions. Healthcare and health tech chatbots by Kommunicate can be used to achieve a variety of goals. From improving patient experience, assisting medical personnel to improve healthcare systems, and revealing valuable insights. Our codeless healthcare chatbots are one of the most simplified and hyper-personalized AI-powered healthcare technologies established thus far. We are poised to revolutionize the way medical care providers and patients communicate with one another and their overall experience with Kommunicate. Now, managing customer support for healthcare organizations is as easy as it gets. So sign up today to get started for free.